Hello traders, today we're going to look at the ABC trading method, which you can download for free by going to Daytradetowin.com. You can get a free member account, and we offer this for TradingView as well as for NinjaTrader, especially for the new traders who want to understand and look at price action trading. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So what you're looking at is the software, the ABC software that is available now for TradingView. You can get a free download at Daytradetowin.com if you create a free member account. And what this provides is an area of price action throughout the day for breakouts when there's a trending market, but also if the day is range bound and reverses based off of these zones. Now the zone is based on, if you're looking at the E-mini S&P, and you can use this with other markets too, with stocks, with currencies and Forex, but we're looking at the E-mini S&P. Each zone is 2.5 hours. Again, the software allows you to dictate how many hours you would like to, or time you'd like to have each area based on the market. And so typically for the E-mini, the NASDAQ, the Dow, 2.5 hours for the A part of the day, and now we're in the B part of the day, which is also 2.5 hours, and it's indicating to go short. Now the reason why it's indicating to go short is because the market and the candles, as you see them, closed outside of the zone and now are re-entering back inside of the range of the first 2.5 hours, and it produces a signal to go short, which happens to be 50.3375. Now I don't have the ATR, the average true range, added to the chart, but typically I like to look at the targets and the stops based on the current conditions. We use the ATR, the average true range, with a setting of 4. I like to use that. I have hundreds of videos where I talk about the ATR and the other software, the Trade Scalper, the Atlas line, all using the same idea of the ATR as a target and stop. And I want to go short here in this opportunity. Now, if the market goes all the way down and begins to close below the A part of the day, below that zone shaded in yellow, that would be a new short opportunity because now it's a trend to the downside. Instead, if the market turns around and closes back up, or as we go on throughout the day, it continues to go higher, we'll have a new opportunity also to go long. So in this example, currently it's a short. I'm going to speed up the video so we can see exactly what happened. The targets, the stops. The stops really should be either a pivotal stop, which is the high of that red candle, that wick should be a pivotal stop. Pivotal stop basically means it's breaking above the pivot, and therefore it's evidence and proof that we should no longer be in a short position. And so we have this ABC method isolating the 3 parts of the day. You can use this on any market, any time frame. You can also use this overnight or pre-market. So let's say that you're trading the London session or the Asian session. You can set the time to start based on the sessions and the time zone that you live in. Now, as I speed up the video here, you're going to see that the market begins to go down in our favor. So if you're 3-4 points in profit territory, that's a pretty good profit. It's time to trail a stop, take a profit, or even get out of the trade completely. What we don't want is this to turn into a losing trade. So remember, if you have made some amount of profit in your favor, tighten it up or close the position. You're always better off. Now, if the market continues lower, you'll have a new signal to go short, or if the market turns around and breaks the A zone, which is that yellow shaded area, within the first 2.5 hours of the day, the software will automatically provide another signal to enter long. And it's really based off the same idea where the market is breaking the highs of the day and continuing higher based off of the zone, the first zone. So we'll see that in just a minute. As we start going higher, the market is going to provide another signal. I like to use closing prices. So based on price action, a closing candle, a closing bar, closing price initiates the signal and the trade to go long. Most of the methods that we have, the Trade Scalper, the At the Open, the Blueprint, where if the market is closing above, it gives us a signal. And there you have it. Long 50.35. Again, we don't want this to turn into a losing trade. So remember, if you're in profit territory right now, maybe 5-6 points that occurred, get out of the trade, trail a stop. Don't let this turn into a losing trade. Remember, you can get the ABC trading software for free at Daytradetowin.com, available for NinjaTrader. And now for TradingView, sign up for a free member account. Email us if you have any questions, and join the upcoming Accelerated Mentorship class, which includes all our software and all our courses with lifetime software. Until next time, good trading.